Hello, everyone. Today, I'm very glad to present our paper accepted at the WACV 2026. The title of the paper is SegMo, Segment-Aligned Text-to-3D Human Motion Generation. This is a journal work by the University of Sheffield, the University of Glasgow, and the Queen Mary University of London. Our research focuses on text-conditioned 3D human motion generation. The input is the natural language description, and the output is a realistic 3D motion sequence. We evaluated the results in terms of accuracy, realism, and diversity. Existing approaches generally fall into two categories: discrete models, such as GPT, and continuous models, such as MDM. While these methods have made great progress, they typically pair an employee motion sequence with a single text feature extracted by a clip model. This close alignment neglects the internal semantic structure, often leading to missing or incorrect actions. Our main motivation is that both motion descriptions and motion sequences can be naturally decomposed into smaller, temporally and semantically coherent segments. For example, a complex sentence like a person turns around after walking, then sits down, can be split into three atomic actions, which serves as smaller alignment units, enabling much finer grained correspondence between text and motion. To implement this idea, we proposed the SegMo framework, which builds upon a mask transformer architecture. To achieve segment-level alignment, we introduced three key modules: text segment extraction, motion segment extraction, and fine-grained text motion alignment. First, the text segment extraction module leverages large language models to decompose complex textual descriptions into temporally ordered phrases. The extracted text segments follow three key principles. They must respect the temporal order of actions, preserve important details such as speed or repetitions, and group simultaneous actions into a single segment. Next, the motion segment extraction module partitions the generation motion sequence into corresponding segments. We explored the different strategies, including uniform segmentation, change point detection, and clustering-based segmentation. We found that uniform segmentation provides the best overall performance. After extracting these segments, our fine-grained text motion alignment module aligns them in a shared embedding space. We use contrast learning to ensure that each text segment is paired only with its corresponding motion segment within the same sample. This effectively presents semantic interference across different samples. For the experiments, we evaluated SegMo on the human ML3D and the KIDML dataset. As shown in the table, compared to the strong baseline MoMask, SegMo achieves improvements in text motion alignment metrics such as precision and multimodal distance. We also present some qualitative comparisons here. As we can see, for descriptions containing multiple segments, our measure effectively captures segment-level details, generating motions that are both natural and consistent with the textual descriptions. In conclusion, we introduced the SegMo, a segment-aligned human motion generation method. By decomposing complex motion sequence descriptions and sequences into temporally ordered segments and aligning them in a shared embedding space, SegMo generates more accurate and natural human motions. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about our work, please scan the QR code to read the full paper.